Let's talk about the MoxiPlayer TV stick and why you should think twice before buying it. If you've seen those flashy ads promising thousands of free channels or 8K streaming with no subscription, hold up. I dug deep into tech forums and reviews, and here's the truth. The MoxiPlayer is basically a rebranded Android stick. Think tech from way back in 2011, dressed up with fancy marketing. People on Reddit and YouTube have exposed it over and over. First, the promise of free premium content? Total red flag. These sticks usually rely on sketchy third-party apps or outright illegal streams. You're not magically getting Netflix or Disney Plus for free. Those apps need real subscriptions. And often, the MoxiPlayer doesn't even have official support. Performance-wise, it's a train wreck. Lag everywhere. Can't connect to modern 5G Wi-Fi. And that 8K claim? Forget it. Most users say it struggles with even basic HD streaming. But here's the kicker: security. These non-certified devices are notorious for malware, spyware, and putting your entire home network at risk. Saving a few bucks isn't worth letting hackers get a front-row seat to your personal info. So what should you do? If you want a legit safe streaming experience, stick to Google-certified devices. I recommend the Xiaomi TV Stick 4K for a clean Android experience, Amazon's Fire TV Stick for a rock-solid ecosystem, or the Google TV Streamer if you want the most streamlined Google interface out there. Bottom line: don't get fooled by big promises and bargain prices. When it comes to streaming, go with hardware you can trust.